Hey guys, welcome to day 4. Today we're going to talk about how in the 1920s and early 1930s, psychologists coined a frame called the Hawthorne effect. And basically, the Hawthorne effect is a psychological phenomenon where people improve or modify their behavior when they know they're being observed. It's like when you suddenly stand up straighter or work more efficiently because you know your boss is watching. Or like the young man or the young woman who's driving just perfectly because grandma or grandpa is in the car. In the context of our program, we use video voicemail for our 10-point daily weather report to capitalize on this self-same effect. When you know that others in your cohort are watching and listening, you're more likely to be mindful of your actions and stick to your commitments within the 5 pillars. Think of it as a built-in accountability feature of the program, knowing that your daily weather report will be heard by others and encourages you and us to stay on track. This is a key component of how we go faster and farther together. You will be encouraged, you will be supported, and held accountable in the confines of your 6-person cohort. So look forward to seeing you inside video voicemail. Talk to you later.